You guys looking good? All right. Welcome back to the channel, guys, or welcome to the channel if you're new. Today's a little different. It's gonna be a fairly quick video. At least I think it's gonna be quick. Anyway, the story is, it was my birthday 10 days ago, 9 days ago, whatever it was. I'm older now, old. Anyway, my fiance got me this Petrol Box. Apparently it's like a, it's like one of those subscription boxes for car guys. She's been wanting me to do one of these videos for since I started the channel, basically. So she finally has taken matters into her own hands, purchased this box for me for my birthday, and then when she gave it to me, she was like, so you can open it, you know, or you can make a video about opening it. So you can do whatever you want. And we all know that if I don't make a video of it, when I open it, there will be consequences. And so I don't want to deal with those consequences, so I'm definitely making this video. No, but it should be fun. We should get to see kind of what's in here. It's supposed to be like I said, one of those subscription-based boxes, so you buy it every month, and they send you cool stuff in a box. Apparently it can be like t-shirts, tools, just general car guy stuff. It does look like something leaked out or something right here. I almost hit myself in the face with that. Did you see that? But anyway, it looks like something leaked out over here. It smells like candy. I have no idea what that is, but we're gonna pop this thing open, see what's inside, see if it's any good, and we'll go from there. Alrighty, so let's see, how do you open this thing? How do you get into said box? I need my knife. It's over here. Oh. So, can you see what's going on? Not really. So, do it like that. So definitely something leaked out of this. So you get this cool little letter, a special thank you for your support, Petrol Box, your car culture subscription box. So let's check it out. This is like air freshener. Yeah, it's an air freshener. But like whatever, I guess this is this. It's leaking everywhere. Yes. So this tire shine, Adams polish. This is good stuff. Like Adams makes super good stuff. So this is like good tire shine. It's just leaked everywhere. Probably got smashed in the box. So we got air freshener, Adams tire shine. That's pretty legit. They do make good tire shine stuff. I got it all over my digits. Let me get something to clean off my hand real quick, and I shall return. So, this, for all you detail guys, you know that this is an applicator for the tire shine. So that is what that is. So it's good, handy. I don't actually have one of these anymore. I used to, so man, it's good to get. Cool. Next, this is just this top to the tire shine, a Cobra sticker. This one probably won't stick. It's got tire shine, like you can see, like on the back side of it. It's probably no good anymore. But you know, what can you do? Is what it is. A pin, which is all covered in tire shine as well. It's kind of goopy. It's very odd. I don't know if like the tire shine's like eating the plastic or what. Pin, whatever. It's kind of a waste of an object right there. Pin, like whatever. A little magnet from them, yay. Win this. It's like, I guess you can, it's like a contest. Win this Lego, yada yada yada. And everything is just covered in this tire shine. It's gross. It is gross. It's like a wine bottle stopper with made on the end of a spark plug. I guess that's kind of cool, but and then it looks like you got a t-shirt. I don't know what it says on there, so let's figure it out. Oh, crinklies. Toss that down there. So it says Parts Destroyer, and then on the back it says, like, whatever that is, snake oil. Well, it's a decent shirt. Never heard of like the Parts Destroyer brand or anything like that, but so what are my thoughts on the Petrol Box? I think it's a cool idea. I don't know how much it costs. I'm not gonna look it up because it was a gift, but I will link the site below so you guys can look it up and see kind of how much it is. I imagine no less than $30 a month for kind of what you're getting. You know, the t-shirt and the tire shine, that's easily 30 bucks just by itself. So, and then the other little knickknack stuff, you know, you can kind of consider that like your freebies. You know, you kind of bought the tire shine, you bought the t-shirt, and then you get all the other little knickknack stuff for free. So, you know, the air freshener, your Cobra sticker, which mine I can't use because it's full of tire shine. I probably wouldn't put that on anything anyway. It's just not, like, I like stickers, but I don't like that style of sticker, I guess. It doesn't do anything for me. I think this is like a Cobra themed month, because the t-shirt is like a snake oil, so snake as in Cobra, snake oil shirt. This is apparently a Cobra livery pin. So the blue with the 2 white stripes, I guess that's the Cobra livery. Makes sense. And then you have the bottle opener. Not the bottle opener, what is this? Bottle stopper. Which is cool. I'm not a huge like wine drinker, which I assume this is kind of mostly for. I guess you could maybe use it for like whiskey or something like that too. I don't know. But I'm not a huge like, you know, drinker. So I don't really have bottles to stop up. But anyway, but the fiance does, so that she can use it for her stuff. But it is really tall, you know, with that spark plug on top. That makes that thing pretty tall. Anyway, I digress. Tire Shine's cool. That's a really good brand. Adams makes really good stuff. The Tire Shine applicator is, they're always nice to have. I've had a couple of them. I don't have a foam one like that right now. So that will definitely get used. Like I said, I don't know how much it costs, but I imagine it's $30 or more at least, probably, for this stuff. So to me, I would just assume buy what I need. But I could see where it would be kind of cool as like a gift thing. I don't know if I would subscribe every month to something like this, just to get random stuff, you know, especially when it's like pins and stickers and stuff like that. Like I don't even need that stuff. Like don't send me that. Don't send me pins and stickers. You can keep them because I'm just gonna probably toss them. Because this isn't like it's just not like a nice pin. It's just kind of like a pin with a sticker on it. Anyway, trying not to be too negative about the pin. I am a little bit kind of bummed that the Tire Shine got all over everything. I mean, like everything in the box is coated in like oily Tire Shine. Except, I mean, the t-shirt was fine. It was packaged as its own little thing. You guys saw that, but it's just kind of, you know, they could have solved that by actually putting some packing material in the box with the stuff, so it didn't get like, you know, jostled around or squished. I don't know if it just got crushed and it popped the seal off the top, and that's what happened. I have no idea. But, you know, again, it was just kind of sitting in there in the box. Anyway, so that's that. That was the Petrol Box. Cool gift idea. But I don't know if I would subscribe every month to it. It's just got a lot of stuff that I'm probably never going to use, and it ends up in a junk drawer or tossed. So, but yeah, that's it, guys. So if you got some value out of it, give it a thumbs up. You know, maybe it's a good gift idea for, you know, if you know a car guy and you want to, you know, give him something a little different. It is a good idea for that. So, but anyway, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you thought it was dumb, let me know. I like reading your guys' comments and, you know, seeing what I can improve on and do better on. So I do appreciate you guys, as always, coming out and watching the video, hanging out with me for a little bit, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.